Alright, here at the Vegas shoot we decided to take part in Doinker's lifetime warranty with the free replacement of some of the stickers. The Doinker sticker was wearing out on my Estremo stabilizer, and Doinker was nice enough to replace it. Using some denatured alcohol on a rag, the sticker is removed quite easily. This removes the old sticker and cleans the surface for the new one to go on. After that dries, we go and grab a new sticker. We then take this new sticker and put it in the activating solution, and then in some water. Then we take the sticker and place it onto the stabilizer. Now, using a squeegee, Chris here is going to run it back and forth to make sure the sticker applies to the stabilizer. After several passes, the sticker adheres to the stabilizer and the paper that was holding it can be removed. Within about an hour or so, it'll be dry and you won't have to worry about it coming off. This is just one of the many things that Doinker will do for you when you buy their product, because it comes with a lifetime warranty. So if you have any other questions on their lifetime warranty or products, just check out their site or give them a call. I'll provide a link in the description down below. They're a really great company.